What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Jay Casanova, and I just got done with a brush session, and I was like, you know what? I should make a video on how to tie your durag, because a lot of people been hitting me up and asking me how to tie my durag. How I tie my durag, how do you tie a durag? So I was like, let me just make a video. So yeah, I'm gonna show y'all how to tie your durag and how I tie my durag. But I just got done doing a brush session. I'm gonna teach y'all how to tie your durag. Then I'm gonna show y'all how I tie mine. So you wanna do it like this. Like this. And here. And tie it like this in the back. Grab this string and make sure the strings are flat, so you won't get the lines on your forehead. And this. The other string the same way. And this is how I tie them back. Triple strings. And 2 bunny ears. Easy, simple. See, got the strings flat so I won't get those lines over my forehead. And yeah. And sometimes I take the tail end like this. So yeah, that's how you tie your durag. That's how I tie my durag. And I'm gonna show y'all how I tie my durag, but double compressed. So I use this boo cap. Put my durag on, and I bring my durag down to my eyes. And this is if you want to double compress. I put it down to my eyes, eye level, my eye level, and take my boo-boo cap. You can use a stocking cap if you want. Take my boo-boo cap, put it over my durag, flip it. Ears kind of big. basically you want to do the same way. The first time I tie my durag, like this. Make sure the strings are flat. This and tie it in the back same way how I tied the first time. Push one. And I tuck the cape in. Yeah, that's how I double compress. This is how I double compress. And yeah, that's how you tie your durag, and that's how I tie my durag, and how I double compress. And you want to double compress when you're wolfing. And yeah, when you're wolfing, when you got a lot of hair on your head. And yeah, I hope y'all like this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And I told y'all I got y'all from yesterday. And go, can y'all please go watch my video that I uploaded yesterday. And I would really appreciate it. And don't forget to subscribe and ring them bells. And yeah, hope y'all enjoyed the video. Hope y'all learned how to tie your durag from this video and learn how to double compress. And I'll see y'all next time. I might make a new video tomorrow, but yeah, I'll see y'all next time. Like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, peace.